What's going on? It's your boy Jab Animal back again. Hey, you guys know how to transform an object, so that's rotating, scaling, moving. But where are we transforming from? That's what we're going to answer today. Let's go to Blender. We got Mr. Cube here. I'm going to move Mr. Cube out of the way really fast to show you something. And that's that we have 2 points here where we can do a transformation from. One is called our origin point and one is called our 3D cursor. So usually when we do a transformation, we are rotating around the origin point, but we can also rotate around this 3D cursor. The way that we do that is we go right up here to transform pivot point and we click 3D cursor. Now we're going to rotate around that 3D cursor. And usually what happens in modeling is we're going to try to rotate around one of these vertexes. So we can pick a vertex and then we are going to hit Shift and S, and now we can go to cursor to active. And then now when we're rotating, we can rotate around that vertex. This is so important because it comes up in modeling all the time. You really want to master this skill now because you're going to use it so many times over and over and over. Hey, that's it for today, guys. Check me out on YouTube, Instagram, or Twitter. I'll see you there.